All right, we are here in, oh my goodness, Shkoder, and that is in Albania. I'm sorry, we've been traveling for like a month now, and I'm getting pretty burnt out, but I just want to show you this Airbnb here. I'm pretty impressed by this one, so I'm gonna spin around and show you just the living room here as you come in. This is probably the largest, comfiest looking couch we've encountered on our journey through the Balkans. But yeah, decent sized space. Little TV here. Looks like we've got some dish or some cable box there. Yeah, looks like we got a ductless AC unit to keep warm and cool here. This kitchen's pretty modern and decent looking. That stove actually runs off of gas and the tank is under there, so that's pretty interesting. That's kind of like our little house in Spain. And then yeah, you've got your basics there, your hood range, your dishes and sink and fridge there. Not sure what that is, maybe just some storage. Moving down the hallway, this is a 2-bedroom, by the way. This is the first bedroom. Looks like we got 2 beds in here, a little bit of desk space, little space heater. Here's a view from out the window. I don't know if you'll be able to see with that bright sun, but we'll move into the bedroom. The master bedroom where we will be staying. Decent space. They've got a crib in here and a nice sized bed. Big, huge. What is this? An armoire?
Sure. A Christmas tree.
Oh, there's a Christmas tree. Yeah. But yeah, just all kinds of space in here. Let's see. Looks like extra blankets and stuff they've got stashed in here. And then this dresser is empty for us to load up, and that little one there.
There's a lot of toys. If you've got kids, this guy is filled with like toys and kids.
Nice.
Kids things.
Got
so
the
a
crib
little
there
car
too.
seat, so
Awesome. And then here's the master bath. Looks like just a toilet and a washer here, which is great because that's a plus for us when we travel. And then there is a common bathroom here. And I believe this is where the shower is. No bathtub, but that's fine. Decent size. And hot water heater there. Toilet, bidet. That's about it looks like. So thanks for joining me here, and I will include the link in the description for the unit itself on Airbnb that we can check current prices if you're interested. And also I will include a link that will allow anyone who is signing up for Airbnb to get a credit towards their first booking upon sign up. So thanks for watching. I totally wasn't done. I'm totally tacking this on the end. This is the patio, which is probably one of the best parts, and I almost forgot. So this is an awesome view from up here. This patio looks like it runs the length of the unit too, which is awesome. And then actually, if you see way over there, that's the castle that's here. So you've got a view of this whole city, it looks like, from on this patio. That's pretty nice, huh?